Hello, good morning students. Today we'll see practice set 4.2 of geometry. First sub question. Construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius is 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. Let's start with the given. Students, what is given? Given is center is P. So my center is P. Next, the radius length is 3.2 centimeter. So I am writing radius 3.2 centimeter. What else? We need to draw a tangent through point M. So we will write here tangent at point M. Clear all? Now first what we'll do, before starting any construction, what is the most important thing? The most important thing is to draw its rough diagram. So I need to draw a rough diagram. Let's say this is my rough circle without any measurement. Right? What do I know? Center. The center name is P I have taken. Now the radius is what? 3.2 centimeter. So I need to draw this radius. 3.2 centimeter approximation. Okay, draw the tangent at point M. So anywhere on the circle I am taking this point as M. Now what I do, I will extend this line. Clear this much everyone? Now what I do, from point M, we'll draw two arcs. One is inside the circle, other is out of the circle. Clear? Now these are the 2 points, 2 arcs. Now I'll take my rounder here. More than half. One arc is up, one is down. From this point, one up, one down. If you will match this line, you will find this line is passing through this point M. It means this line is touching the circle only on this point M. So this line which we have drawn, line L will be what? My tangent. Clear all? This was rough diagram. Now to draw this tangent, we'll follow this rough diagram. Okay students? So let's start following. This was my rough diagram. Okay? So what was the first step? First I need to draw this circle. Circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So what I'll do? I will take distance 3 centimeter in my rounder. I will draw a circle of 3.2 centimeter with proper measurement. I'll name the center. What is center name? P. So I'm writing here P. And what was my radius? My radius was 3.2 centimeter. Now I need to take that point. Let's say I'm taking this point as M. What I did, we have expanded this line, so we'll do the same. We'll extend. How long? You can take any centimeter, any distance. Okay. Now from where I need to draw? From M. So I'll keep my rounder. Look, I'm keeping my rounder at M. Less than radius, before radius I'll draw one arc, same distance this side, one more arc. Clear everyone? Now we can see here we have 2 arcs. Now I'll keep my rounder here on the first arc, this point, right? I'll keep my rounder on the first point. Approximation, approximately more than half. This is my half, this one less than half. I'll take more than half. One arc up, one at down from this point. One up, one down. Same thing I'll do from this second arc, second point. This is my second point. Same distance. One up, one down. And next step, what I'll do? We will match these 2 points with the help of scale and pencil. And this is your line L. and this line which touches this circle only at one point, this line is called what? Tangent. Clear everyone? How to draw tangent on this circle? Hope you all have understood how to solve this. Okay students, now we'll see the next sub question. So question number 1 we did, right? Now look, question number 2, this will be your homework. To draw question number 2, need to follow these steps in question number 1. Okay, so question number 2 will be your homework. Now we are moving at question number 4. I left question number 3, right? This will do later on. Okay, this will do later. This I will tell you how to draw this. But before question number 3, we'll solve question number 4. Now the fourth question is, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. What is my first point? To write given. What is given? Radius is given. So we'll write here radius 3.3 centimeter. Next, draw a chord of PQ. Chord PQ. Length is given? Yes. Of length 6.6. This I need to draw. Next, draw tangents where to the circle at point P and Q. So the main question is, draw tangents from where? From 2 points P and Q. From these 2 points I need to draw tangents. Clear this much? These are the given information in the sub question. Now what we'll do? Before doing any construction, what we'll do first? First we'll draw its rough diagram. So I am drawing a rough circle. This is my rough circle. The radius is what? Radius is 3.3 centimeter. Radius done. Next, do we know the center name? No, I don't know. So I can take any name except PQ. PQ I cannot take. I am taking center as C. Okay. Next, I need to draw a chord PQ of length 6.6. So what we'll do? We will take 6.6 centimeter distance in the scale. If you will keep scale here, 6.6. If you will measure 6.6, this will be your 6.6. This total length is 6.6 centimeter. So what exactly it looks like? It looks like diameter. Starts from P, ends with Q. So this will be drawn PQ. Now what was the question? I need to draw tangent from P. From this P, so what I'll do? I'll extend this P, right? And from P, I'll draw 2 arcs. And this will give me a point. Right? So now this becomes a tangent. Same thing I'll repeat with Q. Same thing, 1 arc inside, 1 is out. This is my rough diagram. Clear students? So to draw the actual tangents, we'll follow this rough diagram. Now let's start the following. So what I'll do? First I need to take center, right? The next is what? Radius. What is the radius? Now take your pencil and scale. Take proper measurement, 3.3 centimeter. Okay, in your rounder. Taken 3.3 centimeter. So 3.3 centimeter circle. Let's say this is your 3.3 centimeter circle. Now what I will next do? Center is C. This is my radius. 3.3 centimeters. But what do I know? 3.3 is my center. Now I need to draw chord PQ. Chord PQ is 6.6. So with the help of scale, if you measure, this diameter is what? This diameter is 6.6. This total length is 6.6 centimeters. Clear? Now next what we have done? In the rough diagram, we extended this point P Same thing I'll do here. I'll extend this P. Next step, I need to draw a tangent from P. So I'll keep my rounder. Look, I'm keeping my rounder at P less than radius. Less than radius, 1 arc here. Same distance this side. Now I'm getting 2 arcs. So I'll keep my rounder on this arc. More than half. Taken more than half. 1 arc up, 1 down from this. 1 down, 1 up. Now same distance in the arc from this arc. This is a line L, and this will give you what? Perpendicular, and this line L becomes what? Tangent. Now same thing, I need to draw another tangent from point Q. So what I'll do? I'll extend first this point Q, right? Next, from where? From Q. So I'm keeping my rounder at Q less than center. One right side, one left side. Now again I'm getting 2 arcs, so I'm keeping on 1 arc. Approximately more than half, yes. So 1 arc upward, 1 downward. Same thing from that point, 1 up, 1 down. And now I'll match these 2 points. One more tangent. So this way we have drawn 2 tangents from the given chord PQ. Clear, students? So this was question number 1, and question number 2 will be your homework. Question number 3 we solve later on, and here we have shown question number 4. Okay, students? So this is it. That's it for the today's lecture. Thank you so much.